Welcome back to another video where we'll use Python to save multiple items in the clipboard without bothering it getting deleted. Here we'll also see how to run Python through the terminal. So first we need to set up the terminal. Press window.r or from the search button type command prompt. One second. C command prompt. Then after that you need to change this directory to your file path. Here I saved it in this file path. So I'm gonna copy this and cd change directory, the file path. Now we'll just keep it aside and we'll input the modules we'll be needing in this project. First, input clipboard. Then we need is JSON, then SYS. So from these modules you would be needing some modules to install. If some module, example, I didn't install Pygame, so if I type Pygame, it's gonna show an error. Have I installed Pygame or something? One second. If you're using PyCharm as me, then you can just go to settings, project interpreter, and from here you can just add any package you want or module in your project. Here I have clipboard installed. Where it is? Here I have clipboard installed. No, I don't have Pygames. Okay. Let me type something. It still takes in. Okay, leave. You need to install a package or module to use the module like I'm using here clipboard for this project. And you can easily do that by going to your CMD, pip install the module name. So then after that, after you have installed all of the modules, okay, if you have any doubt or if your modules are not getting installed properly or not in the right path, you can every time go to pypi.org and check with the module. So now let's get started with coding. Now def, which is a function, save data. Inside that we need file path and data variables. And now we need to open a file. So with open with file path, which is gonna take over here the file will open, file path, right. So then if you don't even have the file over here, like I don't have any text file or JSON file over here, it's still gonna make a new file if it doesn't exist. So then after this we are gonna dump all of them in json.dump, which means we're gonna save all of the data which is there into the file. Now we are done with the saved data. Next we'll be coding load data. In load data, you just specify inside brackets file path. So then after that, load data will add a try. So then a try here is used to just check that if an error isn't there, just to try that are the codes working. If it's working, then it's gonna execute whatever is there inside the TIL, or it's gonna add a accept. This is for whatever error is gonna come, it's gonna accept. So then now we'll just complete with accept. Here we'll return with null. So then here what is return? What's this code return? Return here ends the function. So if an error is there, it's gonna leave the function and again will ask you to type in the command. So then after this, inside ti we are gonna add is same thing. You can just copy from here with open file path, but instead of write, it's read. Inside this, you're gonna add a variable data which is equal to json.load from the file f. Yeah, over here with open file path inside quote w, add this as f. Here also the same thing as f. So then inside the son.load we are going to load f, and we are again going to return the data. Return data. Then after we are gonna now add commands which we could run through the command prompt or cmd. To do that we need first is an if option. If the length of which is len sys.argv is equal to 2. See, the thing is that these are code which here we are gonna do. I'm not copying from anywhere, and these all we are doing it by thinking. Like first we need is a save data. Where will we save? That function we need. So here we made save data. Then if we need to load some data, or like if we saved a specific URL into a file and we copied some text, but now we need a URL, so we are gonna again load the URL into a clipboard by reading it from the text file and adding it onto the clipboard. So here we'll add this if length sys.argv is equal to 2, then only it's gonna run the following code, which is we're gonna add is what, a command variable which is equal to sys.argv with index 1. So then what is this? See, whenever we are gonna run any code, let me open my cmd, it's gonna be like this: Python, then here your file name, here it is main.py, main.py, and here is the command. So then the problem here is that whenever we write this, it's gonna copy command and main.py. We need minimum 2 commands to execute the code. If it will be only main.py, then this block of function, this block won't load, as we need 2 arguments, which is main.py and the command. Then later on we are going to save command variable and we'll remove main.py and save only what command is given. I hope you understand it. So then after that we are going to again call out data, which is equal to load data and save data. Then just take out this over here, save data. And after that, if the command is equal to save, wrong spelling, save, then it's gonna execute the save command. So we are gonna ask for a key a title which is equal to input enter title you want to save under. One second. So then after this, we're gonna save whatever the user wants to add into the title. So then now data inside the square brackets title is equal to clipboard.paste. This is whatever is there in a clipboard which is currently saved. Example, if I have this saved now, I have this line of code saved. So then it's gonna paste it inside data with a title. So then after that, we are gonna print it to just check. Print, save. Then we are gonna add another command which is if command is equal to load. Then we are gonna again add as title is equal to input, and we are gonna add the same thing again. Just copy and paste it. Enter the title you wanna load back to clipboard. I know it's a long question to ask. Back to the clipboard. So then after that, we are gonna add a if statement. If the title in data, here we saved it where? Data title. So if title in data, then clipboard dot copy the data title. And whatever is there in data title, in that criteria, it's gonna copy the data. And print, again we need a print statement to check. Copied. So then we are done with the save and the load function, the load commands basically. And now we are gonna add is a else. So then else, yeah, before that add here a else if. I forgot. Else if. Right, because there's already a if, then there's gonna be a else if. Then if again there's another if or again another condition, it's gonna be again else if, and at last else. So else int command doesn't exist. Command doesn't exist. Oh shoot. One second. As I have here a single quote, so we'll use double quotes over here. The command doesn't exist. Now we'll come out of this whole if statement and we'll add another else over here. Else if the sys.argv isn't equal to 2 arguments, then it's gonna print invalid command. Wait, hold on a second. We don't have a else statement over here. Okay, come let's check that does it work or not. Okay, we need to yarn this from the CMD. So yeah, here I need to again change mine. CD. I'll just copy it. Paste it, done. Now See how am I writing the line of command? Python, your file name, mine is main.py, and save. Enter a key. First, I need to have something, which is then my clipboard. So just open a text document, notepad. Over here, I'll just add something, copy it, enter a key, which is example, data saved. Now, Python main.py dot load. See here it's gonna remove main.py and only take the load command. That's why we added sys.argv index1. Load. Again enter key. So over here we are gonna add is example key. Copy it back to clipboard. Oh shoot, we should have taken something else, no? So yeah, let me again add something else over here. This I'll copy. I'll copy these both together. So then now when I'll type Python main.py load, enter the key, example, data copy to clip. Wait, yeah, copy to the clipboard. Now I'm gonna paste, only that much is gonna come. Wait. Okay, 1 second. Take this, tab this board. This should be inside this if, and this should be inside this if. Now you run the code again. Over here. Got a code over here, whatever is there in the clipboard. Again we'll save and we'll load. So Python. This is really a tedious job to do. Save with enter key 1. Data saved. Now if I'll add something, I'll add numbers now. Now when I'll copy, so when I'll paste, it'll be numbers. So then to check, again Python main.py load, enter the key 1, data copy to the clipboard. So now when we paste it, yeah, now it's working. So then you can see that we have already done making a clipboard. Now when we'll go over here, we can see something over here, clipboard made. When you open this, it's actually a JSON file, so it will open like this. We have here nothing, hello world, example 1. Let me just clear this up and add this. That's all. Done. So then we are now done with our project. So in the next video, we are gonna add this multi-clipboard into a tkinter module. So then you'll be thinking, what is tkinter? That we're gonna discuss in the next. It's basically we are gonna add this into a window. Like it's gonna ask over here, it's gonna ask in a window that what is your key, what do you want to save or load. It's gonna have buttons. So yeah, the next video is gonna be exciting, so don't miss out the next video, and please like and subscribe so me and you can be in this journey forever.